Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Lewis Pike Show. Today, we're going to be talking about my July dividends. We're going to go through both my Robinhood portfolio and we're going to go through my M1 Finance portfolio. It's been a crazy time for the stock market if you've been following it. So I wanted to go through and just show you guys what I've been doing. I try to drop a video every single month where I go through my portfolio, show you guys what I've invested and how much I've made so far through investing. Some of this is dividend investing, some of it is stock growth. But let's jump into the video. Today, we're going to jump into first my Robinhood account. So I'm going to pull up the Robinhood account here on the screen here. So give me 1 second. I have to log into my phone real quick. There we go. And then we'll switch over to the phone view here. There we go. All right, so now here we have Robinhood pulled up. So let's just take a look. We're gonna go in here and we're just gonna take a look at our dividend activity for the last month. So I'll show more here. Let's just go over to dividends and we want to look at just July. All right, so here in July the 1st, I got 92 cents for SPHD. This was for a number of shares here that I have. I've purchased more since, but this is what 92 cents is what I got for the month of July. This is a monthly dividend stock here, so definitely get some contributions every time, every month. So some are quarterly, some are monthly. All right, let's go over to the next one. So the next one here we have is Nike. So total of 10 shares of Nike, I got $2.45. This here is a quarterly dividend stock, so still not bad. So we'll see this every quarter. I've bought a little bit more since this as well. This one right here is AGNC. So I have 7 shares of this at the moment, where I've got 84 cents of dividend. So hasn't been, this portfolio here in Robinhood is primarily dividend portfolio. I'll go through and just show you guys the total amount here in a second of how much I've invested so far. The goal was to get to 10,000. Probably gonna have to change that because I'm very close to that, and I'm probably going to hit it either this month or next month. All right, the next one here is Realty Income. This one again, 13 shares. I got $3.05. This one again is a monthly dividend stock as well. So far has done pretty good. Some of these have actually experienced growth as well during the time, and we'll cover that. So that is all for the older. Got a few more. Got PSEC here. Got 20 shares of that. Got $1.20. Prospect Capital. And then GE, they've dropped their dividend a lot. I have some stocks that I have in GE that I just haven't sold. At some point, I'm probably going to get rid of them just because they're not a very highly favored dividend. I think I'm in the red there, so I'll probably just keep it. It's not hurting at the moment. And that is it for as far as dividends for the month of July. I do want to cover some reward referrals that I got sent out. So I want to give a call out to this referral here, Emily. I think I may have said that wrong. But anyway, I got $4.47. So thank you for that. If you guys are watching, I got another one from Ariel as well. Got $5.66. So this really helps out. If you guys are interested in joining Robinhood and signing up for investing, be sure to click the link in the description. You'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. I greatly appreciate it. So let's jump back into the video. I'll show you guys just the total value of the of my portfolio here. So far for the month, for all time, I've made about $1,599. I started this portfolio, so about $600. I started this portfolio actually this year. So this is all just from this year, how much I've made. So again, my goal was to put about 10,000 my cash in for this month. For the year of 2020 was to invest 10,000. So we're well on pace to that. Not including the growth that I'm making, just the money that I'm invested. And then again, I want to continue to do this every single month so I can continue to build up the dividends. Right now, they're small, But as I continue to invest, I'm going to see growth from Dividend, and I'm also going to see growth from just from the portfolio. So that is the update for Robinhood. I do have a portfolio as well with M1 Finance. So I'm gonna jump over to that one as well. So give me a second and I'll pull up the phone again and then we'll jump into M1 Finance. And I'll cover the breakdown of how much is in here in a second. I've done prior videos where I go over just the stocks that I've invested in, and I'll continue to do that as I add more stocks. But for this purpose here, we just want to look at the dividend. So we just want to look at July. To July 30th, so done. All right, and then let's go to activity. Let's just clear these here. Let's go look at dividends only. So for July, got 48 cents around the 7th for this Vanguard total international bond. This is a bond ETF that I have. Another one, this got 37 cents from this one. This is another bond ETF that I have as well. And then this rounds up another bond ETF here at $1.26 that I got. And last but not least, this one we got $141, another bond ETF. So looks like all my bonds hit this month, and I made quite a few dollars, not very much. Again, I typically see a huge increase in this. Most of the stocks I have here are not all dividend. It's just a combination of growth and dividend, and that's where I see majority. Most of the activity here I get that comes is typically from on the quarterly. So not a big dividend month here. Again, everything adds up. I'll do a walkthrough later, just like the total dividend that I've made for total throughout the year. I'll do another video where I update that, but I just wanted to get on and do a quick video of how much I've done. You can see here with this portfolio was down to start the year, but when everything tanked, but it's definitely starting to come back up. A big reason of that is a purchase that I bought. Well, it's coming up across the board, but a lot of it has come from the Tesla stock that I've been buying over the month. So if you guys have any questions or anything additional you want to see, please let me know. But I just wanted to do a quick video just giving you guys a update of how much I've made dividend wise. Again, if you guys are interested in starting investing, even if it's a small amount, I would say this: you guys see my growth. I would say even if it's just $50, $50 to $100 that you're doing a month, it's something where you can start investing. Even this time last year, if you would have started, Tesla was $200, like $211 at this time last year. Now it's over $2,000. So just getting started and starting to invest can go a long way. So if you guys are interested, click the link below. I have one for Robinhood and I also have one for M1 Finance, and I'll see you all on the next video. Have a good one.